Like, who knows how old? Yuck. This is the ugly, sad truth about Bitcoin mining. It's a dusty job sometimes. Guys, this is the most disgusting thing I have seen in a long time. I don't even think this thing might even work with all this dust, but if it does, it'll be a miracle. Either way, if this doesn't work, I guess it'll be like a glorified paperweight after it's all clean. This old school like PlayStation USB cable, and then I gotta connect it to the computer, and that's how this rig gets its internet source. So now I gotta go to Walmart or somewhere, or look in between all them wires to see if I can find it. But I'm gonna just buy one because I'm not looking for nothing right now. So everything's cleaned. Powered on, everything's working. I steam, clean the fans, and we're gonna run the open skeleton look. It's summertime, that's how we're gonna